Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Epomaker RT100 mechanical keyboard. Now, before we dive into the details, I want to clarify that this review is all about the keyboard and not about the amazing Pedro Pascal, the star of various hit shows and every woman's fantasy. So, let's get started with this fantastic keyboard. The Epomaker RT100 enters the scene at a time when mechanical keyboards have gained immense popularity and become highly sought-after PC peripherals. With numerous options available, it's becoming increasingly challenging for keyboards to stand out. However, Epomaker has taken great care to ensure that the RT100 sets itself apart from the competition. One of the standout features of the RT100 is its Smart Mini TV, a small display that adds a unique touch to the keyboard. You can personalize this display with your choice of images and sketches, making it a fun and customizable addition to your setup. Now, some may find this feature gimmicky, but personally, I found joy in having Pedro Pascal's face on display. It's all about finding what brings you happiness, right? Beyond the Smart Mini TV, the RT100 impresses with its overall performance and design. The keyboard utilizes Epomaker's sea salt silent switches, which offer a satisfying tock sound while being considerably quieter than other mechanical switches. The linear key feel combined with the quieter operation makes it a great option for office use. The RT100 features a compact 95% layout, which means it's almost full-sized while maintaining a small footprint. This 1800 compact design strikes a perfect balance, offering a numeric pad and arrow keys without taking up excessive desk space. It's a rarity in the keyboard world and a feature I absolutely appreciate. In terms of build quality, the RT100 feels sturdy despite being made of plastic. The PBT keycaps are durable and can withstand heavy use. The included cable is thick and flexible, and the ends are encased in sturdy aluminum. While it may not be the lightest keyboard, it's still manageable if you want to take it on a road trip or train ride. The RT100 offers 3 connectivity options: USB-C to USB-A wired, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless. Whether you prefer a wired or wireless connection, you won't miss out on any functionality. However, do keep in mind that using RGB lighting and the Smart Mini TV simultaneously may drain the battery faster. Epomaker's driver software allows for extensive customization of the RT100. While the software may have a bit of an 80s, 90s vibe, it offers reliable performance. You can remap keys and the media knob, adjust key sensitivity, program macros, and explore various RGB lighting effects. Additionally, the software allows you to personalize the Smart Mini TV display, giving you the freedom to make it your own. The typing experience on the RT100 is exceptional. The keys are well-sized and spread out, ensuring that your fingers never feel crowded. The Epomaker sea salt silent switches actuate smoothly and offer a satisfying soft tock sound. It may feel different if you're used to other switch types, but give it a chance, and you might find it just as enjoyable as I did. Writing long articles on this keyboard was a breeze, and I have no complaints. To wrap it up, the Epomaker RT100 is an outstanding mechanical keyboard that sets itself apart from the competition. With its unique Smart Mini TV, compact design, impressive performance, and extensive customization options, it offers a fantastic typing experience for both work and play. While some may consider the Smart Mini TV gimmicky, I found it to be a fun and personalized addition to my setup. The sea salt silent switches deliver a satisfying tock sound while keeping noise levels down, making it ideal for office environments. The build quality is solid, and the keyboard's compact footprint strikes a perfect balance between functionality and desk space. The extensive connectivity options, including wired, Bluetooth, and wireless, ensure that you can connect the RT100 to your preferred device without any hassle. The included software allows for the customization of key mapping, macros, and RGB lighting effects. Plus, the ability to personalize the Smart Mini TV display adds a touch of creativity to your setup. Overall, the Epomaker RT100 is a top-notch keyboard that combines performance, functionality, and aesthetics. If you're in the market for a mechanical keyboard that offers a unique and enjoyable typing experience, I highly recommend giving the RT100 a try. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the UK Pro Reviewer channel for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, happy typing!